Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do the viral high messy bun hairstyle on medium length hair. To start, I've popped a loose curl into the hair and I'm just going to leave a little bit of hair out to frame the face. Next, divide the crown section of the hair off straight across and pop this into a ponytail. Add some spray wax to the top of the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then gently pinch and pull at the hair for some more texture and volume. Next, we're going to divide the hair from the ears upwards and clip this out of the way for later. Do this on both sides of the head. And I'm just going to clip the ponytail on top of the head for now, just to get it out of my way. With the remaining hair, I'm going to sweep this all over towards the left-hand side, and then I'm going to add a row of bobby pins starting at the nape of the neck going upwards. Make sure that you crisscross your pins for extra security, and on the last pin, point it downwards. Now take the remaining hair and start twisting it towards the head and lifting it up at the same time to create a sort of French twist at the back of the head. Then secure this all the way down the right hand side using as many bobby pins as needed. The pins from underneath will help lock this style into place. Next, I've got a clear elastic band and popped 2 bobby pins on to create a bungee, and I'm going to push the tail ends of that twist forward, slip one of the bobby pins underneath, stretch it across the top of that hair and secure it underneath the right hand side. Let that ponytail down, and I'm going to cut up a piece of bun padding, and I'm just going to fold this into a rectangle shape, and I'm going to take that top ponytail and push it forward, and then just lay that bun padding between the two and secure all 4 corners with some bobby pins. Add some dry texture spray to all those tail ends. Again, this will be linked in the description below. And with the hair from that top ponytail, I'm going to divide it in half and create a simple knot as if you were tying your shoelaces. Loosely tighten it up over the top of that bun padding and use your fingers to spread it out to cover it. Then secure it to the padding with as many bobby pins as needed. Then start pinching and pulling at that knot and securing in place with some stronghold hairspray. Take the tail ends from that French twist, divide them in half and cross one over the other. Push them up onto the padding and secure with a few bobby pins. Pinch and pull for some more texture. Release those side sections down. Start twisting it towards the head, place it under the bun and secure with a bobby pin. Now with those tail ends, I'm going to leave a little bit out to tumble down the side, and with the rest of that section I'm just going to wrap it around a couple of fingers to create a loop. Hold this into the bottom of the bun and secure with a couple more pins. Then just pin that curl slightly to the right hand side of the bun. And we're just going to repeat it on the left hand side. So take the hair from the side, twist it towards the head, holding it underneath the bun, and secure it with a bobby pin. Leave a little curl hanging down, and with the rest of the section wrap it around a couple of fingers to create a loop. Hold it to your bun and secure in place. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.